Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sakshi. First of all, really sorry for my voice. I have a little cold and today's video is going to be a really special one. So I recently came across a shorts by Dr. Mitali where she was talking about a daily routine of trollers, and what really caught my attention was at the end what she wrote, that don't be a victim to a victim. And that is a thought which landed me to make a video on it. It is purely my personal opinion, it is purely based on what thoughts I carry about this topic. So let's get started with the video. See, it doesn't matter who you are, a student, a creator, someone who is trying to do something new, or someone just posting casually. The moment you decide to step out of your comfort zone, there will be someone standing there to ready to pull you back. And that negativity sometimes often don't come as gentle feedback, but it sometimes comes as trolling, mean comments, negativity, and a judgment. Because trolling, this weird exhausting culture of negativity on the internet, it somewhere affects all of us. We either ignore it, fight it, or pretend to not care at all, but sometimes we do actually care. And you know what I have recently noticed is that the moment you think of doing something new, the moment you try to do something that for some people is out of their comfort zone, people suddenly start having so much opinions about you suddenly become their target, and instantly people start throwing their nasty mean comments or opinions about you on the internet. And for the longest time, I used to think that why do people react like this, or why they have problem with someone trying to do something with their life. And then slowly and gradually, what I understood is people actually troll you because efforts scares them. Just think about this, that if someone is busy working on their own life, figuring out things for themselves, do you think that they have time to sit back and write mean comments about you? When you are focused, when you are growing, when you are working on yourself, you don't scroll through comments looking for a place to spit the negativity you carry within yourself. And it's always the people who feel unfulfilled, insecure, and stuck in their life who look for someone just shining a bit and go, let me dim the light within them. And the funniest part is that they will never say what they say on the comment section on your face. It's always going to be behind a screen, behind a fake username, and behind this tiny false sense of power which they think they have sitting behind the cameras. A troll doesn't actually hate you, but they hate being reminded of what they are not doing in their lives. There is always a difference between giving someone a constructive feedback and disrespecting them. You can disagree with someone politely, with kindness. You can disagree with someone's point, with someone's perspective, and that is completely human and that is completely normal. And I think that is what makes the conversations more meaningful. Different perspective and different opinions about things. But what is not normal and what is not right is when you put out that thing, you put out your perspective on a negative scale. You can always share your opinions without tearing someone apart. You can always make a point without making someone feel bad about what they're doing. If you are someone who have ever been told this little message is for you, I just want to tell you that it's not about you. I know sometimes it may feel personal to you, but trust me, people who stay still at one place in their lives, they hate seeing others move forward in their own life. So they try to pull you back, hoping that you will fail, hoping that you will shrink yourself, and hoping that you will stop trying to grow. And they don't actually want you to stop, they just want to feel like they hold control over somebody, even if it's just a stranger. So don't let a stranger's insecurity stop your growth. So focus on the ones who are there to support you, who are actually happy for your success, and just try to ignore these people as much as possible. And if you are watching this, let me remind you that you are not weak if you are feeling affected by all of this. You are just human, you are just feeling emotions. And if you have ever been the one who have trolled someone online, I don't know why you're watching this video, but if you are watching this, here is a little message for you too. Just hear this with an open heart. You don't know the battles that they are fighting silently, and you don't know how one hateful line can affect someone really deeply. And I just want you to ask yourself a simple question, that what are you running from? Because trolling is not confidence, it's a pain wearing a mask. And you don't have to be this way, and just you have to realize that your words carry power, so use them wisely, use them with a little more kindness, because you never know that who is reading them with a heavy heart. So before we end this video, I just want to remind everybody of you that your journey belongs to you, not the people who doubt you, not the people who troll you, not the people who say mean things to you. And don't ever dim your light to make others feel comfortable. Keep growing, keep shining, and keep learning in your life. And always handle these people with a little kindness. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys with something meaningful in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.